Early. You good, me not good. This not look good. No, me not good. This not look good at all. Starting out, bro. Oh. We'll go on sports on. Yeah, people, we're there, Emil, what going on?
We're there, man. I watch the match, man.
Oh, here we go now, people. The game just start. Kind of up and down. Much now go on. KC get a chance, Calabar get a chance. Much now go on. Much not ever talk about, bro.
Yeah, we just...
You see me, but people, I open and enjoy the vlog. You see me, even do an intro yet. I'm going to do the intro after this, so they'll probably see this way down in that video. I'm going to do an intro yet. But people, enjoy the vlog. KC versus Calabar. Later, St. George's versus Ardenne. Bro, how do you think that match never go?
Let's say something well kind. Oh, whisper.
Oh. Ah, KC, people. Never gonna watch a game. Me at work, but never gonna watch a game. People, I'm not like the game boring.
No, I'm not saying.
The game boring. The game, what you say, bro? The game boring. I'm not telling you that. The game boring.
It's the ball game is being played on one end of the pitch right now. One end of the pitch right now.
KC.
Yeah.
KC pressure Calabar.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. But the quality poor, dog. Watch out. Be an over dribble, poor touches. The game boring. Hopefully pick up. Maybe I just first game nerves. We don't know. Maybe I have some jitters. But we're gonna see.
Before you go, people, I need it to be sharing the video.
Man, my pressure like is virgin.
Like in the video, man. I'm just gonna fight out the
how many subscribers you want them get?
Right now, I need them to send this to 100 people.
Alright, 100. Email say 100. People, what a goal. Brilliant. Brilliant. We're going to stop him nice. No, we're going to stop him nice, bro. Just think more to come, bro.
Of course.
I did predict that KC would have won this game. They look very comfortable. Calabar isn't posing much of a threat. Maybe I catch you go.
Yeah, you didn't even have a...
I ask about 20 times every game, people. Half time those people. To be fair, this game should be 4-0.
5, 6.
No, I don't think 6. You're not gonna score every chance you get. But this game should be there.
Done and dusted a long time.
I would say that in our Manning Cup preview that we saw the Calabar team, yes, better than last year. But this KC team is still very good. Still with a talent that wasn't here last year and they won the Manning Cup last year. Very good half so far. Hopefully, they can even get a better second half.
Hopefully.
From Kingston College and from Calabar. Because we're not trying to fun it out right now.
Yeah.
We're not fun it out. But still, good first half of football. Yeah, people, second half time again.
Yeah, man.
Watch you now. We have a visitor. We're not a visitor. I'm not new to you, but introduce yourself to the people.
Unseen Sports TV. Yeah, man, find it on YouTube. Unseen sports. One scene, unseen, always on the scene. I'm out.
Right, I'm there on the scene. People, second half just the keeper go down, but him look like him good. Kind of wins a bit, but he'll be fine. He's a big boy. Isn't it? Second half start slow, not much happening, no shot as yet. Another player down, KC, a lot of cramps. I don't know what you think of cramps, bro? Yeah, he has big cramps. Just 15 minutes. Music. I'm not being good. Yeah, bro, the man them a go down way too much. Fitness is definitely a problem because them now get tackled and them a go down. So that means a fitness. Yeah, beer cramps. It has to be. Isn't what you think about that? Season just started.
First game. You know, this always happens. You know, so most of the players them just get them 60 and find out that they are going to play. So it's possible. Cramps are going to creep in. So you go, man. Part of the life.
Number 10, John Richards scored 2 goals so far. 2 goals scored tonight.
Goal. But just can't stop. But just can't.
Scoring twice for Kingston. John Richards scoring twice for the Kingston team. And number 15, Charlotte Kingston.
25 goals. Well, when I go back in the dressing room, you know, I have to talk to the guys and say, yo, it's one of those days. Everybody gonna make a mistake in the game. I'm not 100% right now, and I stayed out there and tried to push it for my team.
And again, I told you before, we were going to win the game.
Starting now, bro. Wow. Yo, people. Game just started. We don't know if 5 minutes gone it. And you know what? I got my spot. We don't watch the game behind the board them already. You see me? And y'all just get a free kick on the edge of the box and then just kick it at the goal. Just like that. Jaja. May I try to keep me, you know, my goal boy. May I try to keep it inside, but that was not great. It was not a good feeling. But one thing I realized that the Georges team didn't celebrate. They did not celebrate. Right back to their half. Real professional. And waited for the kickoff. I think they're trying to embarrass Ardenne today. But let's see. People, look who we find. Look who we find. Late to work. Damn, I'm fire. Damn, I'm fire. People, a couple times I'm telling them I'm fire.
You see when you're as good as I am, you don't have to show up on camera.
You really sure you want to see that on camera? You sure you want to see that on camera? Anyways, the man there in our place. Go and watch an Ardenne game. How much is the email?
They're 2-0.
Jaja. Just walk out the side of one, outside of 1-0, come back in 2-0. What the? Watch it. First off, probably 25 minutes gone. 4-0. I think this will be the first violation. This is the first violation of the season, dog. Yeah. What was that violation? 7 and up?
Yeah.
7 and up.
6 club violation.
Alright.
Watch it. People, I'm a proud of the night, you know?
Yeah.
That's how the badness come down as they may say.
Yeah. I feel no way. The game where I play.
Right, so at least you get one today.
Yeah, we get one. But this, brother, I don't know if this can make up. This can
No, man, you get
like
one.
tear it all away.
You beat Calabar.
Far.
You beat Calabar.
This can, the last one I'm gonna get right now, can't come close to the win with KC.
Bro, but you beat Calabar.
So you're ultimate rivals. We're good.
Yeah. You good, me not good.
This not look good.
No, me not good.
This not look good at all.
Toyota 8401.
Get them a dance. Leave in a there, dog. Get them a dance. Leave in a there. Get them a dance.
Kabir Taylor, speak to us about your first game in Manning Cup this season.
Started out a bit nervous, first ever game, but as it went on, first 10 minutes, I got into the game, became more confident. And
It is good. I aim is to score 12 goals within the first round.
People that don't know, let's see what going on. Productive day, two entertaining matches. This is the first one, clearly more entertaining than the second. Georgie, it wasn't quite a violation. We said that 6 and above or 7 and above? Did we say
7 above? Was it 6 or 7?
It was 6, so this is a violation. Jaja. So the first violation of the season, Ardenne received it from St. George's College. And KC, dominated.
Yeah.
Embarrassed Calabar High School. And took the first 3 points of the Manning Cup. Exciting day, bro. I'm looking forward to this Manning Cup season. People, stay tuned for more content on the Manning Cup. Schoolboy football features, team features, I should say. Reviews, previews. We will be at the game, so you'll get more vlogs like this. People, won't leave our work at this or that sports TV. You see me? Hey, man, say something to the people.
Man, let's remind the people once more. Share this. I'm not going to say 6, I'm not going to say 7. I need 100. I need 100. Share it on Twitter. Share it on the story on Instagram.
Too bad I kill himself.
Road crazy, but yes, people.
Yeah, share the thing for real, people. And don't forget, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. People will never get for vlog a lot through the second game, because it was a violation. So Jaja, we couldn't vlog all it. But people, yeah, as I say, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't forget, this is This or That Sports TV.
And we're out.